Howdy YouTube, Darlington Farm here. Well, you saw a little bit of this in my video about getting ready for the next winter storm, but hey, there you go. If you will recall, I used to have the stack right here in my toolbox set back, which was really kind of a pain in the butt because I lost, a good foot or so of bed space for having the stack having the stack there, and I really was getting tired of that, and I was really getting tired of not being able to have my welder in the truck and close the tailgate. That was just getting to be a major pain in the butt. So I decided to go ahead and remedy that, and I also need to be able to physically bolt my welder. It's a lot cheaper to have my auto insurance or my commercial auto insurance cover the welder rather than the separate business insurance. So I'm just going to go ahead and physically bolt it in the truck so I can go ahead and have them cover it. Anyway, to that I needed to be able to move the stack and move the tailgate up so I could gain enough bed space. So basically what I did, see if you can see my ugly fit up job there. Yeah, I just freehanded that one and tigged it. Yeah, I realize that looks like crap, but I don't care, it'll hold. It was just a piece of 4-inch pipe, a muffler pipe I had laying around. I just coped by hand with a zip disc and bent it over and welded it up. Man, that wind is cold. Yeah, and it's like ridiculously cold out here too at the same time and windy, but yeah, did the same thing on those. And the fit up on this one's not very good, but I should be able to fill that in with some 1/8-inch filler rod. Anyway, I got to TIG this sucker back together, get that hooked up, and get my stack back and get my toolbox back in the truck. This will be awesome. I'll be able to actually bolt the welder in and close the tailgate for once. That'll be Alrighty, so today, as I am actually not running off the F250 350, I've got a job down a couple hours from here in the next couple of days, or well, next week rather, if the weather doesn't get too horrible, where I've got to work inside and they've got power. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my XMT 350. So I've just been tagging off of it today just to get back in the swing of scratch start. I'm using a foot pedal. Yeah, I'm going to be running a whole crap load of 14 gauge pipe next week, so I wanted to kind of get a little acclimated to using this. I've just plugged the foot pedal, same foot pedal as the 350 there, just plugs right in there to the 14-pin connector. You set it down to remote amperage control. TIG foot pedal, and away you go. You set your high end of your current there. I've just got it at 140 or 138, but yeah, I've been using some 1/8-inch R45 filler just because I had some of that, and on this joint here I did a really piss poor job of coping that with a grinder. Yeah, I don't do that very often, and yeah, as you can see, I used some sledgehammer to fill it in, but yeah, anyway, I just used the R45 or that 1/8-inch filler to really fill in the big gap there. And anyway, yeah, I'll set the camera down here and let you see doing that. Alright, so as you're going to see, I had to move my exhaust stack from right here back here so I can fit my toolbox in here and gain about a foot or so of bed space so I can get my welder in here. Here's a quickie overview. And it goes down and under the truck. I'm thrilled. I can actually close the tailgate now. I'm bolted in so I can go ahead and change the insurance over on my machine here. And it fits. The only thing is I got to load up my toolbox, which I guess is kind of nice, because if I can get it open here one-handed, it's kind of a nice way to start off and reload the toolbox. But there's a storm coming in, and I think it'll probably be here before too long, so I got to hustle and get that done and go fill up some diesel cans. Anyway, I'm Darlington Farm. I'll leave you with a somewhat decent rig now.